Hi everyone, my name is Rishad. Today is the 7th of January 2023 and I'm going to be going over the results for the SPY front testing strategy, which is obviously the open and close strategy that we went over in previous videos. And if you don't know what that is, please refer back to my channel, and I have made a long and comprehensive video going over these strategies details. So we'll go over each day of that the strategy has been active. So on the 2nd of January, the open was 472.16. The previous day close was 475.31, and that triggered a sell signal. And the number of shares we took was 2,118, and the closed at 472.65. We had a loss of $1,037.82, and our cumulative portfolio return went down to 0.135%. On the 3rd, here we can see that we did have a sell signal. We did make the highest profit this day out of the week at 3,483.36 after transaction charges. That gave us our portfolio return of 0.346 and upped our cumulative portfolio return to 0.481%. On the 4th, again, we had another sell signal, obviously, which was successful since we ended up making a profit of $2,183.82. And that's our daily return was 0.215%. That increased our cumulative portfolio return to 0.696%. And the final day of the week, 5th of January, we had a buy signal, and we made a very small profit here, which was of $924.07, and our daily return was 0.09%, and our cumulative return was 0.786%. Now, if we compare that to the cumulative SPY return, which is at minus 1.851%, that gives us an alpha of 2.637% over SPY in a single week. So that's all for now. This was just a short video going over the results of our front testing strategy, the open versus close daily strategy. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I will see you next time.